Hello, welcome to a special edition of A Minute with the Mayor. We're obviously all aware of those of us in Temora Shire and beyond, no doubt, that there were fragments found in our sewage system, and that come as obviously a complete shock to us because of the 450 plus COVID tests that we had last week as a community, and we're very proud of them for getting out and doing that. They all come back as negative, which was great, and of course the essential worker ultimately was deemed a false positive. That was cause for great celebration as well, to an extent, for all involved. But of course, with this positive test confirmation, as a result of that, we have been in constant contact with our state member for Cootamundra, Steph Cook. Even our federal member, Michael McCormack, is wanting to help wherever he can. Murrumbidgee Local Health District, Jill Ludford, the Chief Executive, have been fantastic. The Council Executive met this morning in this chamber to actually go through where we're at, where we're going in terms of next steps. Now, testing, a further test actually was being done this morning out of the sewage treatment works. That is now on its way to Sydney to be tested, and we should have those results again on Wednesday. And at this stage there'll be a further test done on Thursday. So we're looking at 2 tests every week for the next several weeks. Also, we just want to reassure you that councillors and staff are working so closely with all of the relevant authorities, and we are on top of this situation as it stands. Now, in terms of what can you do to help Temora Shire and frankly your country, and that is, if at all possible, please go out and get vaccinated. Whether it is the AstraZeneca that is for you, whether it is the Pfizer that is for you, please book, make it happen. That really is the only way that we are going to get on top of this COVID situation and life to resume some form of normality. Now, in terms of your COVID testing, those sites, or Temora District Hospital will have COVID testing available from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And we encourage you, those with the slightest of symptoms, to please go and get tested. The average turnaround is that 24 hours in terms of your test results. You must isolate. That is very, very important, but it is also responsible if you do feel even the slightest bit unwell, please go and get tested. We need to get those numbers up, very much so. And of course, at this time, we're also thinking very, very much about our business community. Now, again, there's those of us, and me included, that are not deemed essential services, so therefore we are part of this lockdown. Now, there's many that are doing the click and collect and delivering things on doorsteps and so on, and that's fantastic. But also remember that there's employees involved as well, and their families. And what I would say is just simply encourage them and support them if you possibly can, whether that be even a phone call or something, and just check in on them. But also I'd encourage all businesses and employees, if you haven't already, and I'm sure most have, but please reach out to our state and federal governments and get your accountants to do so, and just see what you are entitled to in terms of financial support and assistance. There is help there. We need to tap into that and make sure that it can assist us to a certain extent to help us get through. And we will get through, and I am very proud of Temora Shire citizens at this point in time. Yes, it's tough for many reasons, but we are strong, we are resilient, and we have faith and hope that dwell deeply among us. So please take care, and we will continue to keep you informed as information develops. Thank you very much.